This is a training video on how to connect the OHD fit testing adapter to the Avon C50 Respirator. We're going to utilize the OHD Kit number 1 with its 40mm threaded connection, which we'll install on the side of this respirator. One aspect of the Kit 1 I will point out is the integrated valve props that are at the end of the adapter. You'll line these valve props up so they can penetrate the housing and connect with the inhalation valve, propping open the inhalation valve, which will allow the QuantiFit2 to successfully evacuate the air out of the respirator and put the respirator under a precise negative pressure. So we're going to line up our integrated valve props, thread the adapter on, and we're ready for testing.